The villagers always warned, never enter the bell tower after midnight. Its bell hadn't rung in centuries, yet every full moon, the air vibrated with a soundless chime that chilled the bones. Tonight, curiosity gnawed at Mara's resolve. She slipped past the rusted iron gates, her lantern flickering wildly in her trembling grip. The stone steps spiraled upward, thick with dust and deep claw marks she forced herself to ignore. At the top, the bell loomed, enormous, green with age, silent as a tomb. Mara reached out, fingertips brushing its cold, rough surface. The tower shuddered beneath her touch. A biting cold seeped from the metal, crawling up her arm like icy fingers. Shadows pooled and writhed at her feet, twisting into grotesque shapes. The bell's clapper swung slow and heavy, but no sound escaped. Instead, a pulse of dread pressed hard against her skull. Faces, gaunt, hollow-eyed, emerged from the darkness, mouths stretched wide in silent screams. Mara tried to flee, but her legs turned to stone, trapping her in place. The bell's silence grew deafening, echoing through her bones like a curse. As the shadow faces closed in, Mara's body stiffened, her scream stolen before it could form. Below, the villagers glanced at the tower and shivered as the silent bell tolled once more, its unseen toll marking another lost soul.